The Aprilia RS V4 Factory is a masterpiece of Italian engineering and design, delivering an unparalleled riding experience for enthusiasts and professionals alike. This machine combines cutting-edge technology, raw power, and striking aesthetics to redefine what a superbike can be. Every detail of the RS V4 Factory reflects Aprilia's commitment to performance and innovation. At the heart of this superbike lies a powerful V4 engine that delivers exhilarating speed and unmatched precision. The engine's unique configuration ensures a smooth and responsive ride, making it suitable for both track and street use. With advanced electronic management systems, the RS V4 Factory offers multiple riding modes, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to their needs. From aggressive track settings to a more composed street mode, this superbike adapts seamlessly to various conditions. The chassis of the RS V4 Factory is a work of art, designed to provide exceptional stability and agility. Lightweight materials such as aluminum and carbon fiber contribute to the bike's superior handling, while the aerodynamically optimized bodywork enhances performance at high speeds. Integrated winglets not only improve downforce but also add a distinctive touch to its sleek design. Advanced suspension technology ensures precise control and comfort, even during intense riding sessions. The semi-active Öhlins suspension system reacts instantaneously to changing road conditions, delivering a smooth and controlled ride. Paired with high-performance Brembo brakes, the RS V4 Factory provides the confidence needed for aggressive cornering and precise stopping power. This superbike features a state-of-the-art digital dashboard with a full-color TFT display. The interface provides real-time data, including speed, gear position, lap times, and more, ensuring that riders stay informed at all times. Bluetooth connectivity allows for seamless integration with smartphones, enabling access to navigation, music, and call notifications. The RS V4 Factory's design is not just functional but also captivating. The aggressive lines, bold graphics, and premium finishes make it a head-turner. Every element, from the sculpted fuel tank to the LED lighting, has been crafted to exude sophistication and performance. This bike also sets a new benchmark for safety, incorporating cutting-edge rider aids like cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and launch control. These features work harmoniously to ensure a safe and exhilarating ride, regardless of the rider's skill level. The Aprilia RS V4 Factory is more than just a motorcycle, it is a symbol of passion and excellence. Whether you're pushing it to its limits on a racetrack or enjoying a spirited ride on winding roads, this superbike delivers an unforgettable experience.